This viewer is to help employees of orthodontist Jeffrey L. Cupp's DMD MS to create visual records for patients to be stored or shared with the patient. So let's say we've got some photos taken by the office camera, and we open this blue circle with the fountain pen, which we will call Scribus, and we're going to say new from template. All right, there's a specific section for Cupp's Orthodontics, but you want to find either a 6-picture or an 8-picture. Previews are here. 6-picture or 8-picture template in which to drop your photos. Position your window comfortably, and if you don't have this one on the left and you would like to use it for some reason, you would go to Windows and Properties, or push the F2 key. Anyway, over here, get it to a comfortable zoom. If you'd like to see the whole page, zoom in, zoom out in the bottom left over here. Then get the yellow folder and find the one with the pictures that you'd like to drop in. The frames are configured to take matching orientations, aspect ratios, and if it matches, it should be a snap. For one that does not match, we have a little bit of work to do. This was a landscape-oriented picture, and it didn't fit into this portrait frame box. So I'm going to go over here. You may need to skip. You may be able to skip all these steps, but if I need to fix that, I can go over here to Image. We have XYZ, Shape, and Image. Okay, and lining colors. So find the one that says Image, and where it says Scale to Frame Size, change that to Free Scaling. And it looks like the Y scale was 55. So the X scale, we can just try to make closer to 55. As long as it's somewhat close, should look all right. And then your X position, you're going to want to decrease, except -1 looks like it goes too far to the left because it goes negative a whole inch. So we'll say negative, let's try -0.5 and see how that looks. A little better. I'll go ahead and -0.6. As specific as you want to be to get the picture to fit. All right, that's only in a worst case scenario when the picture won't fit in there. So let's try that again with the teeth. So I've got one facing that way, and let's see, there's one facing the other way, and one facing forward that does not match the aspect ratio and looks stretched. So let's go fix it once again. We'll go down here to Image, okay, and we'll say Free Scaling, and we'll just try to match X scale and Y scale about the same number. If 55 works for Y scale, let's make this closer to 55 if it will fit. Otherwise, we can make Y smaller too. Maybe out there. Okay. Maybe 55 works. Okay, in the next position, we'll have to decrease. Oh, an inch did it. So looks good. Down here, it says name, age, date, and face. So I will double-click that, and I will say the name of the person posing for the camera, and maybe the person's age, 7 years and 4 months, and let's see, today's date, December 9th, and then we'll put the phase of the treatment over here. Let's talk just a little bit about what we would do if the images weren't a great contrast, or we want to change some other coloring element about it. You can right-click one of them, and we'll say Image Effects. And so if we want to mess with the brightness, we'll put that over here, and now we have a knob for brightness. Or if you want to change the contrast, so add that to the effects that are in use and change the contrast. Now that that's up, I think I should change the brightness again a little less. And, well, okay, so you get the idea. If you want an effect, add it to the effects in use. If you see an effect in use that you don't want, you take it away and say, okay. That may need to be necessary once in a while if you think a picture is a little bit dark or whatever. Once in a while, you might have a problem with someone's name being way too long and not fitting into the text box. The easiest way, if you see the cursor blinking inside, the easiest way to select all the text inside is to hold Control and type A for all. And then over here in the properties, go to text and find a lower font size. That would be the quickest, easiest fix for that. And once we've assembled everything, we can go to File, Export, Save as PDF if you'd like an electronic record to be filed away digitally or to be emailed. So if you say Save as PDF, pick a place that you want to save it or click Change and say Save, right? And you'll be able to find the PDF later. If you need to print, please go to File and Print or use the Control-P shortcut. And if you have any questions, please send me an email. Thanks for watching.